In this video I will show you how to record a screen Clipchamp. So first open this website, and sign in here. Sign in complete. This is the interface. Open. After that create a new video, then show you this interface. I record a screen, so second option choose. If you want a screen with camera record, so choose first option. If you want only camera record, second option choose. If you want only screen record, third option choose. I want like only screen record, so third option choose. After that mic set, and here click arrow, and mic already plug in my laptop, and zoom mic select. If you have a script, so here script paste, you can read, but skip this. I record screen. Start screen record and select window. If you want a special browser, so like this is the open browser, so select this browser. If you want record all screen and entire screen record, so entire option choose. I want entire screen record, so choose entire and select entire screen and share. Start screen, minimize this page. This is start. Here you can do anything, so record my screen. I like eraser, this is a, and anything do it. All my screen recorded, entire screen record. I want stop screen recording, so this is a stop screen recording. Stop sharing my screen record, stop. I told you how to save my video screen recorder, so open browser, Microsoft browser. This is my video, and how to save, so save and exit, and this is my video save. You can see open video and watch, like open, this is a video. If you want added video, so first you see automatic here video you will get, and edit you easily. Share timeline and edit my video, like and share and subscribe my channel.